Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add chart to PowerPoint presentation, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to add chart to PowerPoint presentation. When you are in your project, click on Insert. After that, click on Chart. Now you have different styles of chart that you can add. You can see here on the left side bar, column, line, pie, bar, area, map, etc. Just select the style you want. Okay, for example here, funnel. And if you want now this style funnel, then just click OK. And here you can just adjust the information. For example here, category here 5,000. You can type for example 2,000. And just close this window. And here you can change the design. You can see here you have different design. If this one, okay. And here you can decrease the size, or you can increase the size. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to add chart to PowerPoint presentation. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.